In this particular video, we will look into two systems of cockroach. The first system is excretory system and the second system is nervous system. Now, if we talk about excretory system, there are Malpighian tubules which are present. Now, Malpighian tubules form the main excretory organ, but apart from this Malpighian tubules, there are three accessory excretory organs which are also present. Now, talking about the Malpighian tubules, so it was a ring of 100 to 50 yellow thin filamentous structures which were present at the junction of midgut and hindgut. So, we can say that Malpighian tubules are excretory organs, but these are attached where? These are attached to the alimentary canal at the junction of midgut and hindgut, but these have nothing to do with the digestive system of cockroach. Talking about each Malpighian tubule, so each tubule is lined by ciliated and glandular cells. The function of these Malpighian tubules. So, let us say that this is the body of cockroach. Malpighian tubules are thread-like structures which are present like this, 100 to 150, these will be present in the form of a ring. Now, body cells of cockroach, it will be releasing nitrogenous product. So, this nitrogenous product is potassium urate. So, body cells release nitrogenous product, potassium urate. This nitrogenous product comes into the hemolymph. Now, these Malpighian tubules will pick up this nitrogenous product or potassium urate from hemolymph, and Malpighian tubules will convert it into uric acid and it will release uric acid which will be excreted by hindgut. So, this is the process. So, we can say that cockroach is uricotelic. The point to be noted here is that if it is asked that what thing is released by body cells, then body cells do not release uric acid, body cells release potassium urate, and this potassium urate is converted by Malpighian tubules into uric acid. After this, talking about the accessory excretory organs, the first is the fat body, the second is the nephrocytes, and the third is uricose glands or long tubules. Now, this third one is a part of mushroom gland. The point to be noted here is that uricose gland long tubules which are a part of mushroom gland, these are present only in male cockroaches because this is accessory reproductive gland. So, if we talk about female cockroach, it will have Malpighian tubules, it will have fat bodies, it will have nephrocytes, but females will not have uricose glands. But if we talk about male cockroach, it will have all the parts, all the excretory organs present in it. After this, coming to the nervous system of cockroach, we can say that nervous system has brain present in it. Brain is also called as supraesophageal ganglion. It is called as supraesophageal ganglion because supra means above and it is above the esophagus, and that is why we call it supraesophageal ganglion. This brain or supraesophageal ganglion, it supplies nerves to antennae as well as compound eyes. Apart from brain, there will be nerve cord which will be present. Nerve cord has 9 fused segmentally arranged ganglia. So, if we try to form this, so 9 ganglia are present. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, these 9 ganglia, the first 3 ganglia, these are present in the thorax and the remaining 6 are present in abdomen. Now, these 9 ganglia are connected by paired longitudinal connectives. So, there will be longitudinal connectives which will be joining these 9 ganglia, and will result in the formation of nerve cord. So this is the nerve cord which is formed. So we can very well say that this is a double structure of nerve cord. This particular nerve cord will be solid as well as it will be ventral. So let us see this nerve cord in cockroach. If this is the structure of cockroach, the above surface will be dorsal and the below surface will be ventral. Now this nerve cord is present ventrally, so it will be present on this lower surface, near the lower surface. So this is the nerve cord. If we try to remember the location of heart, then we had said that heart was a dorsal tube lying mid-dorsally. So heart was lying here, and that is why we say that it is present dorsally and this nerve cord is present ventrally. So nerve cord will be ventral, double and solid. This particular nerve cord in the case of cockroach or the invertebrates is just opposite to what is present in humans. So if we compare this nerve cord with spinal cord of humans, then it is spinal cord of humans. So it is dorsal, it is single, as well as it is hollow, because CSF is present in our spinal cord. So both will be just opposite to each other. Apart from this, there are sense organs which are present in cockroach. Prominent sense organs are the antennae, simple and compound eyes, labial palps and maxillary palps, anal cerci, etc. Now one point is important about cockroach is that in cockroach, nervous system is not concentrated in head, it is in fact spread throughout the body. If we compare it with humans, our nervous system is concentrated in head in the form of brain. Now if we talk about cockroach, head will have just a small part of nervous system, the rest will be spread throughout its body in the ventral part. So what purpose it will serve? If the head of cockroach is cut, then also cockroach will survive for as long as 1 week. It will not die due to the obliteration of nervous system. In fact, it will die due to starvation, at it can not eat food.